The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. At 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple 911 calls have been received about an unknown man who was last seen walking downtown in a weird way. The 911 calls about this unknown man has stated that this person was into talking to people when they said hi, and the man was seen violently hitting a person just a few minutes ago. If you live in Miami, be on the lookout for this man. If you see this man, dial 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further details as more information becomes available. Law enforcement warning for the city of Miami. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. This is an update to the emergency alert that was sent out 50 minutes ago. At 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the man that was seen in downtown by residents has pulled out a gun and has started to violently shoot people in the downtown area. Police are not able to identify the man or fatalities or injuries yet, but police have found out some features the man has. The man, according to residents, appears to be a white male, with a slight muscular mass on his body, and the man appears to have black hair. He was also last seen wearing some blue jeans, a blue shirt, and black shoes. If you see this man anywhere in the area, call 911 immediately. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. Regular programming may now resume.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. All residents of Miami, lock your doors now. I repeat, lock your doors right now. An extremely dangerous situation is taking place in the city of Miami. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the man that was killing people downtown has now started to break into people's homes and kill them. According to the residents of Miami, this man has the following weapons: a K-47, pistol, machine gun, and he also has a shotgun in his hands. He has blood all over his entire body as he continues to cause havoc in the city of Miami. In addition, police have now identified the suspect. The suspect is 27-year-old William Jones. William is a white male who is 6 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 245 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a blue shirt, blue jeans, and black shoes. If you see William, dial 911 whenever it's possible. William is armed and dangerous, and must be taken down at all costs. All residents of the city of Miami are strongly advised to lock all windows and doors. If William breaks into your home, then you are allowed to use any armed protection to protect yourself or your loved ones. No more action is needed at this time. Stay tuned for more details on this dangerous situation.
Civil danger warning. Civil danger warning. Civil danger warning for the entire state of Florida. This message is sent out at the request of the governor of the state of Florida and the Florida State Police Department. All residents in the state of Florida, lock your doors immediately. William Jones has now been traveling across the entire state of Florida for the past couple of days, killing everyone he sees. He has also stated that he has several bombs that can take down buildings, destroy cars, destroy homes, and even cause fatalities throughout the entire state. All residents in the state of Florida are strongly advised to seek shelter now. Make sure you have everything you need with you to take to your shelter. But most importantly, lock your windows and doors. If William breaks into your home, use all armed protection to protect yourself and your loved ones. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. William Jones has set off a couple of nuclear bombs in the state of Florida. The cities include Jacksonville, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, and Tallahassee. All residents within a 500-mile radius of these cities are strongly advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. A long exposure to fallout will result in sickness or death. It may take minutes after the impact of fallout to spread. Fallout can't spread past 500 miles of the attack's location. William Jones was nowhere to be found after he put the bomb down in Orlando 2 hours ago. He may be dead after the explosions occurred. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now. The president will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
Good afternoon, my fellow Americans. Although I wish I could say Happy February, unfortunately, I cannot, as it is not a happy February. For the past couple of days, this monster known as William Jones from the state of Florida has been terrorizing the great beautiful state, taking innocent lives, hurting innocent people, destroying cars, buildings, and homes. William Jones is dangerous, but he messed with the wrong country. We in the United States military and our forces will take him down for good. He has taken nearly almost 3,000 lives and has injured 2,178 people. This is unspeakable and unforgivable. When we find William Jones, he will be terminated and taken down with no point of return. My fellow Americans, I urge you to stay in your shelter. Get with your children. Get with your loved ones. Pray. Pray for better days to come ahead. And also, if William Jones finds you, fight. You have the permission to fight back against William Jones. We must not let William Jones win once more. We will take him down, and he will go to the depths of hell. This ends my message. Thank you, God bless you, and may God bless the United States of America. Thank you, America. Have a good day, and try to stay safe. I love you all.
That was a message from the president. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. All normal programming will now resume. Thank you for listening to this message. The EAS will now cease transmission. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an emergency action termination. The danger to society is over. The fallout is cleared out of the area, and it is now safe to leave your shelter. In addition, we are happy to inform you that William Jones has been killed. He was found earlier today by the forces of the United States, and he was shot and killed. It is now safe to leave your shelter and return home. If you don't have a home, call the National Guard and they will escort you to the nearest military base. The President will speak on this station shortly. Here is his message.
Greetings, my fellow Americans. I hope everyone is having a great evening. This is the President of the United States of America. We are happy to inform you that the fallout has cleared out the area and it is now safe to leave your shelter. In addition, our military worked hard and has finally put to a permanent end of William Dave Jones. William Jones is now no longer considered a threat to our country. He is gone. William Jones will now be remembered as a monster and a cruel human being for what he did to the state of Florida. If your home has been destroyed, do not panic and do not worry. Our military will come and take you to the nearest military base. My fellow Americans, it is time to rebuild. To all those who we have lost, we will put in a memorial we are working on currently. This event will be known as 2022 Florida Massacre. While I wish it didn't go in the history books, unfortunately it has to. This event has changed the United States and the beautiful state of Florida. Tallahassee, Orlando, Miami, Tampa, all those places suffered massive damage and massive loss. Many people who were injured are still in the hospital fighting for their life, and we have lost now a total of 3,338 people. After nearly 14 days, we have won the war against William Jones. My fellow Americans, it is time to rebuild this once great country. I love you all.
That was a message from the President of the United States. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume. Thank you for your cooperation during this alert. May God bless the United States of America. This alert will now cease transmission.